Roughneck Tools, leaders in the demolition marketplace, do a full range of demolition tools, hammers, sledgehammers, a whole variety of products, real best-in-class quality. As you can see, they even make the statement on the packaging, 25-year guarantee on the products. Now, I'm not being funny, that's making a statement. This is a superb little set. It's the Brick Bolster Chisel and Electrician Chisel Set. Super high quality products. And let's take a look at what we've got. We have a 25mm by 254mm cold chisel. Tang goes all the way through. Dual material grip handguard on there as well, so obviously when you're holding the product and striking it, it protects your hand. Really safe product on there. Even state on there, whenever you're using products like this, wherever you're doing anything where you're dealing with demolition or breaking things up, always wear your safety goggles. We'd also recommend gloves as well, to be fair, but safety goggles absolutely paramount with anything like this. Can use and abuse these products for all different jobs. It's really are for breaking up, making holes, etc., channeling in anything hard, concrete, brickwork, etc. You've got the 254mm by 25mm, or 10x1 in old money. You've then got the Brick Bolster, 70mm by 216mm. Again, all the same features and benefits, all the same quality. And then you have a slightly extended one, which they call the Electrician's Chisel, and that obviously has a slightly thinner jaw on there, and that's obviously for electricians where they're actually channeling out or making holes for pattress boxes, etc. They come with blade guards. You can see that the tips are polished, nice and sharp as well, a really sharp edge on there. 25-year guarantee, as we said earlier. This is super quality from Roughneck, probably best in class. These are the boys, 25-year guarantee. This is a fantastic set from Roughneck Tools.